You're looking at a 2018 Honda Clarity plug-in hybrid with 72,000 miles. It comes loaded up. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, 72,000 miles. Gets about over 50 miles on electric charge, and then gas generator kicks on and you can run it off of that. Over 40 miles per gallon on that. So you can run on gas or electric. This car's on, so power options, ABS, traction, stability control, backup camera, heated seats. Lane keep assist. 72,411 miles. Adaptive cruise. Nice clean car. Absolutely no stories. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.